Last year, we were happy to announce an entirely new tyre module to the EMDECS system. We've added a few more features to make it more robust and to ensure it suits all your needs. Firstly, on the reporting side of things, you'll find the new tyre cost and tyre inventory reports, exportable as Excel spreadsheets. The costs report will break down valuable information such as cost per mile, while the inventory report captures your current serial numbers and breaks it down by brand, type, size, and condition. Back on the tyre module itself, we've introduced the physical count and inventory adjustment functionality to ensure you're keeping proper track of your tyres. Ensure your inventory is up to date by easily checking and adjusting levels as necessary, and by indicating where tyres have been lost or scrapped due to damage. These are just a few of the ways EMDECS is helping to save you more time and increase your operations efficiency at every level.